sheet of balances which you owe and own. It shows the financial health of a company in just one glance as on a particular date. Balance sheet is divided into three parts: assets, liability, and equity. Assets is something which you own, liabilities is something which you owe, and equity is what's truly yours after deducting all the debt. Let us understand balance sheet with an 8 slices of pizza example. The entire pizza of 8 slices is the assets which you own. 2 pieces which you promised to pay to a friend are your liabilities. The remaining 6 pieces is what you own, which is your equity. So this tells us that assets is equals to liability plus equity. Assets and liabilities are further divided into two parts, which is non-current and current. Now, current assets and liabilities are those which can be converted into cash or be used within a span of 1 year. On the other hand, non-current assets or liabilities are used for more than 12 months. You can assess whether the company is struggling with its debts, and larger the debt just does not mean the company is doing bad.